you can withdraw that case and pass the order. But there the case is pending there, and you pass the order as a CGM, that is illegal. If you originally valid order, this is the marked difference of these orders. That is very careful. Because CGM is the overall in charge. He has the power to transfer the cases, to withdraw the cases, and to decide the cases. Every power is with him. Whole of the district's jurisdiction. In the same manner, if the case is transferred to the subdivision, not the CGM. Although CGM has the power, again I am emphasizing this thing, उसको ये power है कि वहां से withdraw कर दे case. Particular case on the transfer application withdraw. Then decide there is no problem. But once he transferred that this bulk of the cases is to the death magistrate and then decide one of them case, that is it. The jurisdiction once transferred, if not any order is passed, he is empowered, he is overall in charge of whole of the district. He may take any application, any case, it is his job. Next code, not so important, not in every district. Section 13 gives the power for a special judicial magistrate. These persons may be appointed by the High Court with the recommendation of the state government for 1 year.
Means this strong, warm, counter-equatorial current is a disaster for Peru fish industry because it replaces this counter-equatorial current, this Humboldt current, making it subsurface current. कि जो इक्वेटोरियल करंट थी साउथ पैसिफिक में, जो यहाँ भी रेनफॉल हो रहा है ना, ये कौन सा रेनफॉल हो रहा है? जो बेसिकली यहाँ पे इंडिया को मॉनसून रेनफॉल मिलना था समर में, ये जो रेनफॉल यहाँ पे हो गया ना, ये कहाँ पे होना था? तभी हम देख रहे हैं जब भी एल नीनो इवेंट आ रहा है, इंडिया का मॉनसून वीक हो जाता है. सुना आपने एल नीनो की ईयर्स में? क्योंकि जो रेनफॉल इंडिया के वेस्ट कोस्ट पे होना था इन समर, क्योंकि ये प्रेशर या टेम्परेचर डेवलप होने में 5-6 मंथ लगते हैं, अभी विंटर चल रहा है, समर में आना है, तो वो पूरा रेनफॉल कहां पे हो गया? दैट मींस दिस एल नीनो जो फिनोमेनन जो पढ़ेंगे, ये डिजास्टर दोनों चीजों के लिए. एक इंडिया में भी मॉनसून कम आ गया, एक पेरू में फिश इंडस्ट्री. करंट ऑफ पैसिफिक ओशन समझ आ रहा है? The north equatorial current in Pacific Ocean, the north equatorial current in Pacific Ocean as warm Kuroshio current turns northwards as warm Kuroshio current. The cold Oyashio current from Sea of Japan. The cold Oyashio current from the Sea of Japan moderates its temperature. Resulting in the formation of क्या लिखा? मैंने आपको हमेशा बोला जब भी मैं बोलूंगा ना कि आप रिपीट करो, इसका मतलब पूरा सेंटेंस रिपीट करना है. And for this reason, Japan has become, and for